Chris here, nice garage. Another upgrade to my 2012 Silverado. You can't tell, I don't think, in the video, but these are actually yellow, I think Sylvania fog lights, maybe Phillips, that I put in the front. And like I said, it might be hard to see the actual yellow, but I picked up a set of LED yellow or amber, however you want to look at it, lights off of Amazon. And here's the part number, just what they look like. They're called JDM. They're like 20 some dollars, golden yellow. So we're gonna swap them out and see what they look like. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I know it's dark, but here's the moment of truth. We just took them, swapped out the original, well, they weren't original, but I would call them like a filament style lamp for the LED lamp. Oh my. Oh my. They are intense. That is a fog light. That was well worth the $24, $25, whatever it was, $30. Wow. And at least with these ones, you can actually tell they're yellow on the camera. They're really golden on this white wall. If anybody has any questions, leave them. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and help us out. Thanks.